Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. I have watched Laapata Ladies yesterday, which is currently streaming on Netflix, and I want to open this video by saying that I have finally found a pure Hindi incredible film that does not include A-list actors that we see on our Instagram getting papped all day long, and what an amazing job Kiran Rao has done. This movie proves that you definitely don't need action, music, romance, and just actors doing their thing. If you've been following me a lot on YouTube, you know that I am kind of disappointed with how the Hindi film industry is working, especially when it comes to like stories and what they're feeding us and what kind of content we're glorifying, what kind of actors we are casting when we have so much potential in Mumbai as well. I'm a big fan of world cinema. I watch a lot of real and organic movies, and that is the kind of cinema I'm into, and we really lack that in the Hindi film industry, especially in the past few years, or even this year. We have seen movies which have not worked, even if they had the biggest stars and the best producers and directors. It just did not give you what you wanted as an audience. And finally, Laapata Ladies, after so long, is a Hindi film that I really liked, and I'm here to talk about it. If I talk about the movie in one line, it is basically based on like very rural India, where a woman cannot even take out her ghungat, or she cannot take her husband's name from her mouth, or she does not have the right to study. She gets married as soon as she's of age. It's that kind of rural India that they have shown, and the movie is about these two couples who are traveling in the same train towards their house, and the wives get exchanged and they just go through a riot. Now, I don't want to give you spoilers because I want you to watch this movie and I highly recommend it, but when I was narrating this film in a one line, you obviously think that it's going to be amazing and very funny. But the movie is honestly beyond that. It gives you an insight to what women are capable of doing, what happens in the rural India, which we are so unaware of because we are here sitting in metropolitan cities and we don't understand what's happening there. And in the movie, we have like very organic writing. It is true to the script. It is shot very truly. There is not like great cinematography or great music or like out of the world something that you're just watching and your eyes are glued. It's simple, and that's the beauty of the film. It deserves all the recognition. And when both the wives get swapped in different families, they both have a very different mindset. One wants to have a family, one wants to be loved, one wants to make a family, the other one wants to study. She wants to go ahead in life, and she really wants to make something out of her living, even though her parents are forcing her. And I think this swap has really helped both of them to realize what they want in life. The one who wants to build a family, when she is swapped, she has nowhere to go, but she still survives. She still gets a job. She still makes friends. She still gets out there in a village. It is so difficult for a woman to do anything, and she still kind of proves who she is and what she is worth, and obviously gets into her family in the end. And the one who wants to study also has a very different life, and she also kind of learns and grows and proves what she wants to do is possible, and that's what the movie is about. It is way beyond just a masaledar Hindi film, Bollywood movie. It is something, this is the kind of content that Indian audience or Hindi film audience should be fed, because it is such a true film. Talking about the direction, I think Kiran Rao has done an incredible job. She was so true to the script. It was so raw and organic. It didn't feel like it is a movie that she was struggling to make. Everyone looked like they have put their heart and soul to make a movie, because they were so honest to their own characters and what they wanted to show. Actors, there are no actors in the movie. Of course, I have seen these actors before. I am from the business as well, but there are no actors that I see on my Instagram every day. They are actors who are fresh, who are young, who are energetic, and are really putting in a lot of effort and acting like they have been acting since forever. They acted better than most of the actors that we see today. I think the cast have done a very good job. Shout out to all the young husbands and wives in the movie. I think they were really good. Ravi Kishan was amazing. He played the cop in the film, and he had this very sarcastic, villain in the start but turns into a good man character, and I think it really suited him. It was amazing. There are no songs and dance in the movie, you know, like the song is a part of the film that makes sense. And in the end, when everything goes well, also you see why it's gone well. It's not just like a dramatic movie that ends with a happy ending. You see why it's gone well, and you see how it has helped every character. There is not one character in the movie that I felt was useless. Every character in the movie has learned something, grown, and when you're watching the movie, it's like a perfect feel good film where you're like, oh my god, this was such a cute movie and I wish I can see it again for the first time. That's the kind of feel I got. And I am so happy and so proud that finally there is a movie that I can recommend to people, saying that this is a movie from the Hindi film industry that I really want you to watch. And Kiran Rao has proved yet again that you just need to be honest to what you want to do, and if you are honest, then things will definitely follow. This is exactly what I thought of the film. I really like the film. I highly recommend it. It's available on Netflix. I don't want to give any spoilers, though I have already, but I think it's an incredible movie. It's a movie that we have been longing for since a while in the business, and it's finally here. It deserves all the hype that it has. Please watch it on Netflix, and thank you so much for watching my video.